Hello friends, it's Mother Ego here. So today I want to talk about compounding, and compounding apparently is the eighth wonder of the world. Compounding usually is related to compounding interest. You keep your money for a certain amount of time with interest and all that, and it grows very big, right? But compounding applies in all areas, both negative and positive, even our general habits. So every habit you're performing compounds at a certain point and gives you certain results. So if you work hard in a certain area, at some point the results will be exponential, and at that time you realize compounding if has been has been in effect. So there's a book I would like to recommend by I think Darren Hardy, I think that's his name, Compounding Effect. Read that book. It will remind you that every activity you do, though small, those activities compound and become bigger and bigger. So every time you do something, think about the compounding effect. It's a universal law, and it seems to be working in the background beneath everything we are doing. But if you observe it, you can take advantage of it to multiply and get amazing results in all the things you do. As always, this is Karen. Talk to you soon. Bye.